What's up, guys? Your guys Shapiro Acid once again, and guys, I welcome you all to this brand new video. Okay, we are still continuing our journey where we create websites for free without paying any amount of money. And guys, this is part 3 of this video. So in case you didn't watch the part 1 and part 2 of the video, there will be a link in the description box below. Make sure that you go and watch the part 1, watch the part 2 before you come to part 3. So I think this is the website we are working on. We work on, I think, the last 2 days. This is the website that we work on, how we are able to create all these pages and how these pages all are reflecting on our site. Okay, so when you click on it, you can see it's really working on the site, and they're at the top here. Don't worry, how they appear on the top here, I'll show you all and all those things, kind of things in the video. But in today's episode, I'm going to show you another tips or another thing to get done with your site before it can be approved by Google AdSense and still make money from AdSense. Okay, so in today's video, I just want to explain some things that you need to get done. Okay, something like, let me just put this website designing. Okay, so this is a new template or a new website that you have created. Okay, so now after the page and everything, the next thing that you need to do is go to setting. So let me just show you something at the setting. Okay, now when we are at the setting, please listen carefully, attentively to the important things that you need to set up here so that you can get your account approved or your website approved. Now you need to provide them with a description. Okay, in the part 2 of my video, I talk about how you'll be able to generate a description or create a description for your website. So make sure that you watch the part 2 of the video. So just provide them with a short or a vivid description about your site, what your site is about, what you'll be doing on your site. The video, if it's a video you'll be posting, just tell them about the video. If it's a blog post you'll be writing about how to make money online, just tell them, write something about the site. And also, guys, in case you appreciate my efforts, don't forget to smash that like button. Smash the like button and also comment in case you have any challenge. So far we have any challenge, just comment below, let me know in the comment section. I promise that I'll reply to all the comments in the comment section. Let's continue. Something about the site here, then you scroll down carefully. Okay, let me just show you what needs to be done. Okay, so just ignore all this one and scroll down gently. But guys, those of you who are very curious about websites, you want to know much about websites, then I recommend you go to YouTube and go and watch more videos about all this one you are seeing on the screen here, about the pages, about anything that you're seeing on the screen. You can go and do more research on your own, understand them very well before you start working on them or before you start clicking anything there. So the first thing I want us to work here, this thing I want us to work on is the tags. I want us to work on the tags. Okay, so turn it on. Okay, turn the tags on and scroll down, and also turn this one to, which was enable custom robot. Okay, so turn it on also. I'll show you what you'll be doing there, and also turn this one to on. Okay, now when you turn this one on, you can see that we have some home pages here. So click on the home page on it, then we are going to turn this one on and this one on. Okay, and save it. And the next one, which is the search page tag, you're going to also turn this one on. Okay, and turn this one on. Okay, what's careful though, then you save it. Okay, and the next one is we're going to also turn this one on and also turn this one. Okay, guys, I'm coming. Let me check something real quick. If I can let me see I'm at the right point. Okay, because I don't want to show you anything bad in this video, so let me just check real quick if I'm at the right point. Okay, so I'm at the right point, so that's it. So just turn this one on and turn it on and save it. Okay, so guys, these are the main important things that you need to turn on. Okay, because they are very important. Now the next thing I think I'm going to talk about in this video is the sitemap. Okay, I'm going to talk about the sitemap, which is also very important. So I'm going to leave the link of this. I'm going to leave the link of this in the description box below. So all that you need to do is that just copy it. Okay, but I'm going to leave the link to this. Okay, I'm going to put, in case I didn't put it inside, I just comment below so that I can remind me so I can put it inside. So just copy the link of that. Okay, when you copy the link of that, which will be the description box below, just come here. Okay, and paste it here and paste it here. Now when you paste it here, that does not mean you are done. Go back to your site. Okay, go back to your site and copy your site URL. Copy your site URL, go back to it, and from here you're going to replace. You can see this is my site here, Shapiro Acid. So you're going to replace this one with your own URL. So you're going to replace it with your URL. As you can see, I just replace it with your own URL, the site that you created. Then you click on save. Okay, so it's as easy as that. Okay, so I can say you save normally. Now the next thing you need to solve again. Okay, for Google to accept your site is the what we call the Google Search Console, which is very very important, guys. This one is very very important. So you click on the console real quick. Okay, and guys, this one is very very easy for you to solve. Let me show you how you'll be able to solve it or how you'll be able to set it up. So let's just wait for it to load. Let me show you how it works. Okay, the main reason why it is sending me this is that I have a lot of Google consoles already. That's what the main reason why it is sending me directly to my console. But let me just change real quick. Okay, so for those of you who have not or who doesn't know what Google console is, it's a place that will help you to track on your viewers, okay, where the people are viewing your website from, the region, and how your website is doing, how many clicks you are getting per month, and all those kind of things. Okay, this is where it will help you to achieve all those things. Okay, so I'm trying to work on this, but I think my network is disturbing me, so let me just wait more and work on it. Okay, guys, I think my network is disturbing me, so I will not be able to work on the console for you. Okay, guys, so in case that you have clicked on the Google console as I showed you, okay, so in case you have clicked on this Google console, it will bring you to a place where they will like you to just confirm your identity that the site is for you. So they will demand for your site URL. You just give them your site URL and click on what verify. Okay, so they're going to verify you. So when they verify you, they will bring you to a place that look like this. But in case you are finding it difficult to do the console and you still want me to do a video about it, let me know in the comment section that I'll do a full video about the Google console and how you get the console down, because I'm trying to show you here, but it seems like my network is not, but I don't think it's network. Okay, I think I've done it. Okay, so you can see this all my sites that I've done Google console on it. So let me just add new property. Okay, guys, so those of who like this is your first time working on Google console, if you click on this is where to bring you, okay, to bring you to some place that look like this. So in case, and remember, we're not using domain, we're using free domain, so don't choose this one. You're going to choose this one, the URL. Now you go to your website, copy the URL of your website real quick, okay, and put it here. Okay, I was saying put it here and click on continue. Okay, so it's wait for you to verify, and if the site is for you with your email, you can see on the screen right now. So it have verified everything for me. So all I need to do is what, go to property. It automatically changes. You can see it. So this is the new Google AdSense for Google console for the site that we created. And guys, this one is very very important, okay, because you need to track your blog post you are doing, and you can see we don't have any blog post. That's why you're seeing 000 here. Like you will have seen where our view is coming from. People who are viewing our blog post, the region, and anything that you need to know about your blog post. This is where it works. But as you can see right now, let me just go to my site. Let me show you how it. You can see right now I have 0.00 there because we don't have any blog. When we come to blogs, you can see we don't have any blog posts on the site. So guys, that is another important. You can see this one is showing us how your site is doing. So this is how it works, how your site is doing, how many clicks you are getting per day, and all those kind of things that you need to do. So guys, in today's video, that's what I have for you. Let me see if I'm recording. Okay, so that's what I have for you in today's video, and the video is very very short. I make this video very 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 short. So those are some of the tips that you need to get your site approved. So in my next video, I'm going to show you the place that you'll be able to get blog posts and write, okay, where you can get posts and write. I know some people are commenting that they don't have place or they don't know how to get posts and write. Don't worry, in my next episode I'm going to talk about how you can get posts and write. So thank you for watching this video. In case you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Remember, this is day 13. This is day 13 of 30 days 30 videos. So in case you appreciate my effort that I'm putting on the video, subscribe and also click on the bell icon below to notify when I drop more video. See you in my next video. I'm out.